Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma and in this video I am going to explain my WebTech experiment number 6. So first I'll show you what we need to do. So first we need to use timer function and object. First we need to write JavaScript code to display digital clock. So we have digital clock, we are given type script is given, we need to use variable and function we are d.getter, d.getMy, d.second and we need to set interval for 1000. So I'll show you. See, this is my digital clock and time is taking from my system 23 54 is time and it's 26, it's increasing by every 1 second. So I'll show you my code. So yes, to do title it is digital clock and we using function d.get for taking from system d.getter is taking our minute and second for display I'm using and for id I'm giving time. So it will use here is spend time. Here time is hour, minute and second. It will display and set interval and set time for 1000 milliseconds. That is my 1 second and I'm calling every this method every 1 second. Second we need to do, we need to change the background, right? At 7 to change the background color every 30 seconds. And here for change color we have RGB, that is RGB, and here we are calling random for math random to 55 to 55 we need to multiply. We will get any random value and then we need to multiply. And for variable color we need to write RGB and that all three value we need to give. And we need to identify by tag that is body 0. So this is my background color. Yes, it is start. It's slowly its color is changing. So I'll show you my code. So what we did here, dynamic method variable red, blue, green, mat.random variable is randomly it's already predefined function. Randomly it will select number and we need to multiply 255 and here we have color RGB we are giving our color and document.get elements by tag name. So it will identify by tag body and here I am giving background color that is color and every 2000 second 2000 millisecond that is 2 seconds every 2 seconds is the value. Third, we need to create an event handler that increase the font size when over the mouse and decrease. So here what we have identified para one and we need to increase size and we need to decrease for out. And we need to increase by 28 pixels. So here it zoom when I come it's zoom. So, yes. So here what we need, we are using increase size and decrease size. On mouse, increase size method we need to call and when out decrease size method we need to call. So function increase size. What we did, para one. Here is still we are giving 28 pixels. So whenever I increase, it is increased by ID para one, it's increased by 28 pixels. That is style. So dot style we need to use. When I over this method will call and get element by para one dot style and font size by we are given by 20 pixels. Fourth, we need to Java code to absolute moving car position element when I click button and stop the car. So here what I will do, first I'll show you. I am using my 10 pixel every time I am increasing, slowly it's increasing when I start and restart. So for start, stop, start, stop. So it's coming original position that is my 0 pixel. So what I did first I am here. I'll show you. We have one input. We have click the start button to animate and here I am using my image that is my car.png that already png file I have. Yes, and input button for value I am giving start. On click I am using move right, so it's going right and when I stop button click it's need to call it stop. When I click it's coming in this position. So object image object dot style left, so I am giving left plus 10 pixels, so every time it's increasing by 10 pixel and set time I am giving for 200. For call move right, in 2027. When I call stop method, that is coming to zero patient. That is my original and or clear timeouts or time I clear. But that is my element. And for initializing, I am giving image object document dot image and position I am giving relative and image style I am giving 0 for that first image. Fifth, here I need to create an object and I need to make a student for profile, a string name, registration number, but iterate through the array of object, display the web page, and each result print the student name, registration number I need to give that is before or after. So here I am using I think 91 only, yes. Among registration numbers you are 14607, birthday is 96, two time my friend because I giving length and among earth year is before 2000, that's in 1996. So I'll show you my code what I did in this experiment. So I'm using variable hint also is given same in variable object name we need to give property then we need to give values and we need to use for calling variable 0 to object name length. So say I am going variable object name equal to property one Umang registration number that is property 2 PR14CS07 property 1996 and same in property 1 2 3 and for illiterate through an array I am using variable I equal to 0 to name dot length I plus plus. So when I call document dot get element id I am giving you id here it is you can see here. So object name means Umang that is property one it's for calling. So object name dot property one plus registration number that is for printing registration number because that is property two. So object name I that property two here that object I property three that is for property 3 for my 1996 year and then break for new line then again I am trading and here I am comparing if my property 3 that is my year is less than 2000 so it is birth year is before 2000 if it is after so I am using after. So you can see here what my birthday year is 1996 that is before so Umang birth year is before 2000. So we completed this experiment number 6 that is using JavaScript and I hope you understand. Thank you.